morning! Afternoon na pala. 1 minute na lang. Mag-aalas 12 na. 1 minute to go.
See, I have my books. You wait.
Naya! Thank you, de. Naya! Mamang will clean her shoes.
Mamang will clean my shoes. See, look. Like that. Like that, see?
Malamig, de?
Hindi masyado.
Mag-snow yan kasi. Like that.
Dito ba siyang jacket niya? Yung ano niya, damit niya?
Ah.
I want to clean my shoes too.
No, you cannot clean that one like this. It's different. Yeah.
I got watches on my shoes.
You want to clean your shoes?
Ate!
Yes.
It's not dirty. Not like my shoes.
Your shoes is rubber shoes. You don't need to brush it. Let's go.
Daddy, why do you want this to go? This one.
Okay, let's go.
Cute na Jaden.
Playing, Daddy.
Cute naman Jaden eh. Cute naman Jaden eh. Cute na. Jaden! Oh, sit beside Wale. Oo. Smile! Jaden! Ay!
Sali na ako muna.
Smile! Your hand. Smile! Look at here, anak. Smile!
Okay, let's go.
Oh, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is November 30. Sunday. So, nag-snow ngayon. Right there. Naya! Naya! Naya, can I see you? Hi! Show them the snow. Show them the snow. Yummy snow? Is it yummy snow? Oh, let's go. You go to the car.
Win, John. Win.
You like the snow?
Win, win. Win, Joe.
The snow.
Win, Joe. Daddy, win, Joe.
Come, daddy na. Come, go to daddy.
Snowy Sunday. Church kami ng third service. Last third service of the year na. Babalik na nila ang two times na service, di na 3 times. So, this will be the last third service of the year. Third service na kami kasi last practice na ni Mamang ng choir para hindi nagmamadali. So, at least before 2 p.m. andun na siya sa church. Hindi na kailangan i-drive pa ni Daddy si Mamang sa drop-off kung saan may nagda-drive sa kanya papunta ng church. Right now, ano lang, diretso na. Dahil bag, ah. Let's go. Saan na tayo? Snow pa more. Lamig de. Bagot si Daddy.
Yan, malakas damo.
Naya! Morning! No, afternoon na pala. 12 p.m. na. 12:07. Exactly. Are you singing? Come on, sing more. What's the taste of the snow, Naya? No more snow.
No, child.
Yay. Magandang snow kapag bumababa. Na paano din?
Atas niya, ang ganda ng
Ah. Pero kapag nasa daanan na, hirap maglakad. Let's go to church.
Tambag na buli na dyan.
Yeah.
The snow will go to your inside your shoes. That's why I told you, you wear your boots. So the snow will not go inside your shoes. And then your socks will get wet.
Let's go. Dito kayo, ma. Sa sidewalk. Sa sidewalk. Let's go. 1 minute na lang. 12:30 na. Pagpag mo. Pagpag. Stomp. Stomp your feet, Naya. More. Stomp. 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 Yan sina daddy. Jaden! Oh, daddy, hat niya. Hindi mo nakikita yung mukha niya. Let's go! Ayusin mo yung hat niya din.
Please take your seats.
Ate. Hi, ate. Jaden. Ihi ka din? Okay. Dito kami sa... Ang tawag dito, ate? Hub?
Hub.
The hub? Yung mga may question. They can be entertained here. Ate, 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 hi ka daw. Janaya, look at me. Look at me, anak. Look at me. Come. Over here. Ayaw niya. Daddy, pa-picture kayo dun ah. Picturean ko kayo dun. Dun oh. Picturean na kayo kita. Ganda ng background na. Laya, let's go. Hawak ni daddy. Picture kayo ni daddy, come. Merong ano dito ah. Parang slide. Oh, potabot nga siya oh. Okay. Picture. Ang galing. May nagpicture sa amin. Si Mamang. Si Mamang pumunta na sa practice. You're taking a picture? Say cheese daw, Jaden. Say cheese, Jaden daw. Kanano ta? Photographer? Mrs. Jaden. Jacket na. Buckle up.
Oh!
Ako ko siya. Ah? I don't know.
French fries.
French fries.
Bisa? I will picture? Okay, you take a picture.
Take a picture. Go! Take a picture daw siya. Go!
Thank you.
One more? Mommy and Jaden. You want to take a picture of Mommy and Jaden? Oh, gusto niya ikaw yung model din.
Thank you.
Tara na, let's go home. You're ready to go home? Okay. Oh, you put your hood. Buhatin ko na lang si Janaya para di mabasa yung shoes niya. Hindi siya naka-boots. Wala siyang boots. Makapal-kapal din ng snow. Oo, I will. Nasa akin pa yung bag. Yan. Jay. Just TV. Ay. Di pa naka-buckle up si Janaya. Naalala ko na, baka makalimutan ko mamaya. Nilagay na lang ni Daddy yung bag sa harap. Kasi, ako dito sa tabi ng mga bata. Wala si Mama. Not bad. Not bad ang space de.
Our color shade.
You want colors? You want colors?
Jaden.
Daddy, this is one.
Ah,
This is
thank you, ate.
welcome.
Binakala mo na siya? Naya, what do you want to eat? You want French fries or chicken?
No peppers.
What do you want to eat?
No. Not that one.
Do you want rice?
That's my word.
Do you want to eat rice? I know you finished the blue and the red cracker. What else you want? What else you want to eat? What else you want to eat?
What is Daddy doing?
Oh, Daddy is taking out the snow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Is it that?
he's using a brush.
Yes.
He's brushing off the snow. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Right there, Daddy. Daddy's brushing off the snow.
I'm trying to see Daddy with the toe.
Yeah, you cannot see Daddy with the snow. You're right.
Daddy with it. Daddy!
Let's go! Ano kasi dapat bibilin kay Jilan?
Ano?
All-purpose cream.
Lumabas pa TNT?
Ano meron sa TNT?
Ay, Kenja lang sasaling na yan.
Ano yung sa TNT? Galong.
Wala sa mo, TNT sasaling mo.
Meron ba sa TNT? Parang wala, no? Ay, tinawagan mo na ba yung Green Fresh?
Hindi. Wala sa ikaw nga, boss.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Ako, ikaw na bring house.
Ako na lang. Hindi naman diba? Pwede ka pa naman pumunta sa nasa Friday.
Eh, nungita mo yung punta lang po, no?
Grabe siya. Ano na ba ni Green Fresh?
O tanong mo, na. Punta lang kya. Ako, yung may sakit. Isang punta.
Pwede naman nga ba?
Ang tapang yun, Mari.
Tanong ko. Ano number ni Green Fresh?
Red,
Ha? So many red
red,
stop?
and red,
Red, kaya stoplight.
and red.
Red lights.
Red light.
Yeah.
And
What's the
red light.
what's the meaning of red?
And red. And
What is red, anak? Naya, what is red? Means?
Shop.
How about green?
Miss, go.
How about yellow?
Miss, show.
Good job. Galing nga. That's the traffic lights. Red, green, and yellow.
No, red.
So, you want to eat pizza right now?
Yes.
Daddy will order, okay?
Okay.
So, nag-grocery shopping kagabi si Daddy. Ayun ang kagabi, pagkatapos niya sa work. May hinahanap siyang hotdog kagabi. Wala man. Walang hotdog. Nakalimutan. Nalimutan ni Daddy. Baka nakatabingi. They can check in the camera naman. Pero sabi nila magpunta na lang daw ng customer service. May bala kaming bilhin sa Jilan, isa sa grocery store, Asian's grocery store. Sabi ko, doon na lang sa Green Fresh. Yun nga lang, hindi nadala ni Daddy yung resibo. Nasa bahay. Kunin pa ni Daddy yung resibo. Tapos diretso doon. Tapos mag-order si Daddy ng pizza. Dapat sa bahay pa lang mag-order ka na din.
Hindi, Green Fresh. It only takes 20 minutes.
Yung pizza? Bakit 20 minutes ba yung biyahe?
Habang nag-grocery tayo.
Okay. May mga snow. Hindi nakikita. Yung hindi masyadong kita. Yung basa. Ganda. Gandang tignan. Kapag inaapakan mo na yung snow, hindi na siya maganda. Unless naka-gear ka talagang pang snow. Pero kung naka-rubber shoes lang or boots na parang leather, hindi siya magandang apakan. Are you sleepy?
No.
I caught you yawning. Mommy will yawn too. Oh. Look at Wale. He's sleeping now.
Natutod niya.
Yeah. Close his eyes. Cute ni Jaden. Cute pie. Haba ng pilik mata niya. Nakatulog si Janaya. Di man natutulog ng hapon. Ito. Nakatulog. Sabi niya hindi daw.
Kasi niya na matutulog.
sleep. Ate. Yung muna sa bahay ko din ni Daddy yung resibo. Gutom ka na ba, Dad? Hindi masyado, no, Dad? Gutom, pero hindi pa gutom na gutom. Gusto mo nang kumain, pero hindi pa gutom na gutom. Ah, body mo, Dad. Thank you kayo na.
May pa-thank you na.
Nagpa-thank you ka na? Kailan?
Nalilog na.
Ah, sabi mo.
Like 2 days nalilog na.
Nakita mo siya?
Thank you for opening my car when I was sick.
Ah.
No worries. It's nothing.
Bakit naman?
Meron kaya sa loob.
Jeep nga.
Okay, nga Sam.
Oh. Gusto mo, Jeep? Jeep.
Ayun na rin. Talagang jeep.
This is the Kai, sabi mo. And now, this is the, what do you call it?
Local jeep.
Local Jeep. Local Jeep.
Local jeep na yan.
Okay.
Hindi naman gin canning eh.
It's a strong one, mo.
It will make you blind.
Dito na kami sa parking lot ng Green Fresh. Ay, hindi makita. Ayun. Green Fresh. Umuwi muna kami, pero di na kami bumaba. Si Daddy na lang. Si Daddy lang ang pagod. So, bili ka ng all-purpose cream. Tapos isa pang isa pang ube flavor.
Pero kung mo ba flavor?
Mas anti na yung sobra kaysa ang hirap mamili.
Kailangan purpose.
Dalawa lang. Pwede na yung dalawa. Ay, te. Tsaka creme densada.
Saan?
Dalawa din. Dito kasi may Angel all-purpose cream at saka Angel creme densada. Walang Alaska. Bakit kaya hindi nagaano ang Alaska? Nag-export. Sa US siguro mayroon. Yung nasal cream. Matulog pa rin dalawa, which is good para si Janaya. Kasi naantok na siya, ayaw lang niyang matulog. Cute naman. Kasama niya yung dalawang anak niya. Nag-snore si Jaden. Nag-snore siya kay ate niya. Sarap ng tulog. Hintayin na lang natin. Hintayin na lang namin si Daddy. Tapos order na siya niya ng pizza. Pagkain namin. Then uwi na. Anong oras na? Mag-aalas 3 na. 2:48 na ng hapon. Nakabili na si Daddy. Muto na siya. Yan, nag-order sa Domino's. Diyan, sa baba. Akin na. Hawakan ko. Sige. Order na si Daddy. Domino's. Uwi na tayo. Let's go home. Kasing na yung mga bata. Gutom na to si Jaden.
Napasasaling kayo eh.
Rice?
Rice.
Pwede naman.
Sali ko ba?
Sige. Mabilis lang.
Huwag na ako.
Saglit lang. Dadaan ka naman sa train yards.
Ito na pizza din pang rice.
Siyempre. Natulog ulit si Jaden. Pumikit ulit siya. Si ate Nayang kagising talaga. Ate, you're still sleeping? No? No more? Miss no. Next week siguro mag-ice cap na daddy mo. Hindi na siya paos. Hindi na siya nag-concert. Bumalik na yung boses ni daddy. Naka 30 minutes din si Janaya natulog na day. Pwede na yung power nap. Hindi na siya ano niyan, grumpy. Jaden, pumikit ulit. Let's go. Uwi na kami. Oras. 3:32 na ng hapon. Nakabili si daddy ng fries. Let's go home. You want to eat pizza na, Janaya? Pizza? Fries? Let's go home and then you're gonna eat pizza? You want pizza?
No,
What do you want? Fries?
I don't want pizza.
How about fries?
I want pizza!
You want pizza? Okay.
Sarap mo ba?
Bakit nga nasa sola? Buisit na eh. Ibig sabihin maranap na eh. So, pagpamingay niya eh. Maranap na yan eh. Sama kanya never. Traction. Lapit na tayo. Count 1 to 10. We're in the parking lot. Long face. Nagigising nga. Gutom siguro. Yan si Jaden di nagigising para umiyak. Gutom si Jaden eh. May dala-dala si daddy galing ng Five Guys. Peanut. Libre lang daw sabi ni daddy. Let's go home. We're here in parking lot. Nabalot na yung kotse. Naya, look at the car. It's covered of snow. Your feet's covered of snow.
I want to walk, Mommy.
Yeah. Oh, let's go. Let's go home.
I want that.
Jaden. Sa bahay na kami. Gutom na si Jaden. Patitiin ko muna. Yung pagkain namin. And fries. Tapos fries. Ayan. Paborito na namin fries. Paborito. Paborito. Is it our favorite fries, Naya? Yes. Think ka muna na, anak. Drink. Yummy food?
Mom, take over there.
Yeah, I will. Yummy?
Yeah. I just want to eat my pizza.
Okay. How about you, Jaden? You want pizza too?
No.
He cannot eat yet pizza, anak. He's still young. Yeah. And rice. And soup. Lumaki yung ano ng snow. Ito nakauwi na. Kitang-kita. Parang TV. Let's eat. Mommy will eat, okay?
Okay.
And Wale too.
Okay.
Jaden will eat too.
That isn't magic.
He will borrow it. You're gonna eat too, Jaden?
Yeah. Where's Yana? And where's Mama?
Yeah. Mamang's in church.
Okay.
She gotta practice in choir.
To your
Tawag mo kay ate mo, no, na? Jaden. Tama, wag ka na. No screaming, anak. I like that. Nagawa ko ng kape kay daddy. Kape pa more. Paano kaya tanggalin to ng ano de? Salt. Daming salt ng price. Hindi tuloy ako satisfied. Hindi nasarapan de. Ang hapon. May nagbigay ng toy. Yan
farmers, so you have
galing ng
to play.
kapitbahay. Hindi na daw nilalaro ng mga anak. Aiden! Are you playing with games?
You got to sit.
Cheat mo daw siya, de.
He doesn't want. He wants to stand up. Look.
Let's see, Mom.
Yeah, you're playing games? Whoa.
Come show me. Wanna see, Mommy? You like to see?
Okay. Okay.
Like this? And the water?
Magka alas 8 na ng gabi. Ha? Pwede na. Gutom na si daddy. Rehit tayo ngayon. Rehit.
Ayan, come, sit here.
Rehit tayo today.
Come on.
Yeah. Papain na ako ng mga ulam. Iba-ibang ulam namin. Kung ano na lang natira sa ref. Para maubos yung mga ulam sa ref. Jaden! Jaden! You want Wale. Tulog ko si Jaden. Ginising na siya ni daddy ng alas 7. So, technically, kakagising lang niya. Kakain na kami nito. Hirap pa kainin ni Jaden. Hindi nagbubuka ng bibag. Pero gusto niya yung pagkain. Tamad kumain.
Tummy! Big tummy, big tummy, big tummy, big tummy.
Quarter to 9 na. Quarter to 9 na ng gabi. Kain ka na, be! Jaden. Tiyaga. Tiyaga kay Jaden. Jaden pa more. Si ate niya, ang problema. Pag lumalaki sa pagkain. Nagnganga nga. Si Jaden, ala. Ano? You tell them. You tell them. Yeah. Pero, kumakain naman siya. Na Jaden, love. Hindi nga pwedeng pagkain niya may lasa. Pero di naman siya kakain kung walang lasa. Ayaw daw niya. Ayaw daw niya kumain. Yay! Diba? Reklamo siya. Ayaw niya kumain.
Have blueberries?
No, that's not blueberries. That is pepper.
Pepper? Ah, this is pepper.
It's a peppercorn.
Peppercorn.
Yeah. Bless you. Tingnan niya pagkain. Oh, ano? Tell them, I don't want to eat. You tell them, I don't want to eat. You eat kasi. Nom 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 nom. You don't want to eat. You tell them you don't want to eat. Mommy insisting.
Mom,
Oh, yes,
I
Mama.
have no room to sit.
Okay, you can sit.
Hmm.
You can sit in front.
Move.
Okay, I did move.
I just have a tip.
We're not fit. No,
I'm not fit.
I'm sorry, you're not fit.
Ah, this one, mommy.
Oh, maybe you can be fit.
Okay. How is it my shoe? There. And this one. This like this. And stand here and sit. You see, Mom? You see? This like this old Mommy.
I know, you have a footrest.
You see, Mom? I sit on my laptop, Mommy.
Yeah. Did you drink water?
No.
You didn't drink water?
And these are no tapping. So.
Just a peppercorn.
Popcorn.
You want to taste?
No.
No?
No.
No.
This is mine.
Don't touch it. Dirty.
This water. I just like this water. My tongue.
That your wallet doesn't want to open. Ay, ganon.
Yeah.
Ay, wag kitang pilitin.
You like this one?
He likes it?
Oh, it's like this one. I big. Cause
No, don't go over the camera. Where going, Daddy?
I want to on this one. And don't.
Yun na talaga. Muna. Oh, let's sleep na. 11 p.m. na ng gabi. Pumunta na si Jenaya sa kwarto ni Mama. Mag-sleep na rin siya. Let's sleep! Let's sleep! You say please like, subscribe, and share. See you in our next vlog. Bye!